Hi, Anthony. I think I need to describe the system. How is it working? I think we have miscommunication, or I cannot properly guide you how the system is working. That's why you are always making the mistake. And I found some of the most important codes are removed from this client sheet. Anyway, I just replaced the code again, and now I think it is working. Okay, so the system works based on these four tabs, like data, SQ code, item breakdown, and the final. So first is the data. So data, basically you need to feed these three columns only from the CSV export file. These three, and none of other columns, you cannot touch them. That you need to keep as it is, because those are coded and automatic columns. So these you need to copy the ID and the name and the quantity from the CSV output file. Then if you go to the SQ code, this is the custom code we made based on your provided uh, image file, this one, and you can build yourself as well. So basically there is the name is coming from the CSV and code is customly built. So first we can see these are the combo items, and they have the code like 6 big 6 big or 6 sm, like this. And some of the items are the single item, like asparagus per cup, the code is A, and broccoli cup per cup is a B. And these are the combo. Row number 2 to row number 81 is the combo, and rest of all are single items. Here we can see another combo, and we can keep continue building this list as well. If any new item arrive, then we or new combo, then we can add in this list downward. So you can, and you need to give a unique code for that. And then go to the item breakdown. So like first is the combo one. The combo one, what item includes in this combo? If you go to the if we go to the combo to breakdown item, then we can find the number one big is containing uh, C, A, C7, A1, BR1, double R1. This includes the combo one. And you can see I just put in the top of the column is the item code, which is this code. So combo one containing C7. So if you go to the C, you can see the C7 7 unit, and then go to A1. So if you go A1 and then BR1. So if we go to the BR, uh, uh, sorry, BR1, here you can see the 4, but we can change this to 1 if it necessary, and double R1. If we go to double R, is a 1. So BR, here is a BR, so as it is BR1, so I'm changing to 1. And this way I just break down all the combo items. And if after the combo there is a single item like A, B, and these are the single, just one. A means single item, and that is one, A1. then B1, then BBQ is 1. This way, just one unit. This is an item breakdown. I called it item breakdown. So if you want to add more items, then you can build the you can add the more items with the code from the bottom. And then this section for right side, this is the automatic section. Actually, you don't need to do anything in this section. This all are doing the counting as per the order, and actually don't need to do anything. This then go to the final. So as per the order and as per your given equation, if we go to the equation page, then these are the equation. Like A, how many asparagus? The equation you can find. Uh, this is the automatic column is total unit ordered is the counting automatic, and the answer is the uh, counting. Like A, what A equation is, if you go to the A, number of unit divided by 1.7, then you can see number of the quantity. Here's the quantity cell and divided by 1.7, and then that result divided by again 1.92, then you can see 1.92, and the unit is carb. So is the total carbs. This way the all the equation is doing. So if any item you pasted in these three columns and not counting, that means that has not the SQ and the item breakdown. You need to add yourself, and I add whatever I found in the equation sheet, and it's working. So I hope you can understand, and ask me any question if you have. Thank you.